Hey guys, today I will show you how to make a Lego computer. So you will need 2x4 brown plate, 2x1 smooth plate, 2x1 plate, 2x2 plate with screen. Next, 2x2 rocking plate. Then 1x2 rocker bearing. Then this piece. 2x1 plate with keyboard. Plate with okay. 2x1 brick. It can be black or white. Then 2 1x2 palisade bricks and 1 seat. So let's get started. First, take your 2x4 plate, then take your 2 1x2 palisade bricks, and place them like that. Then take your 2x1 plate and place it here. Next, take your rocker bearing, place it here. Then take your 2x2 rocking plate, place it here. Monitor. Then take 2x2 plate, place it here. Then take your keyboard, place it right here. Take this, place it there. Next, take your 2x1 brick, place it here, and then place this 2x1 plate here. This is like a computer. And then take your seat and place your minifigure. And then, okay. So this is Super Watcher 22 sitting